Today we are looking at the Beatles and Esher Demos White Album box set. My name is Estelle, I'm a record collector, and this week we're unboxing the White Album Remastered. The box set was released on November 9, 2018 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the White Album, which was originally released on November 22nd in 1968. The records in the box set have been remastered, and it comes with the Esher Demos, which were extra recordings the Beatles made for fun that were never expected to be released. Thankfully they have, and we get to listen to them now.
This set was one of two that were released. The Super Deluxe set comes with 6 CDs and a Blu-ray disc in it. The box I have sells for about $55 to almost $100 depending on the quality of the records, where it's coming from, and the box, and whether or not it's unopened.
This is the label on the front of the box. It explains that the set comes with 4 records and says anniversary on it. It's also 180 grams, which means it's a thicker and more durable record than your standard 140 to 150 gram record. Heavier records are designed to last longer, so that makes the anniversary records less likely to wear out as you play them. When you look at the box itself, there are 4 pictures, one for each Beatle, John, Paul, George, and Ringo. On the back, you can see the track list for the records and that there are 6 brand new songs on the Esher Demos list, including Sour Milk Sea, Junk, Child of Nature, Circles, Not Guilty, and What's the New Mary Jane, as well as 2 songs that came out on Abbey Road, including Mean Mr. Mustard and Polythene Pam. Opening the box, you have the 4 physical headshots on the cover in color. Then we have a book talking about the history of the White Album and the Esher Demos. Underneath the booklet, you have 2 double records, both completely white except for the label on the Esher Demos. Each double record has its own list of songs written on the inside and more headshots of each Beatle. The last of the extra things is a double-sided poster. One side has the lyrics to all of the songs on it, and the other side has a collage of pictures of all kinds. You could take these headshots or the poster and put them on your wall, but I prefer to keep them all together in the box. Now for the vinyl. You have simple black sleeves and the classic Apple Records symbol on each record. Each side is labeled as side 1 or 2, so you know which side should be played first, and you can see the songs that you'll hear when you play that side of the record.
Before I take these out of the sleeves, I want to remind you to please take care of your records and never hold them by the area where the songs are, which is this whole black area, but always to hold them by the edges, because if you get smudges or dirt or scratches on this part, you could seriously damage the audio of your records and cut the lifespan in half, so please take care of them. This is what the record looks like. Now let's see how it sounds.
This is my record player and speaker setup. Another tip for caring for your records is to always clean them before you play them so that any dust or fingerprints can be cleaned and you can prevent the record from getting damaged. I use a vintage cleaner and brush, and I spin the record as I slowly pull the brush towards me to clean it. Now that our record is clean, we know it will sound amazing and it will last longer.
The records sound incredible with no pops or scratches, and I love being able to listen to the Esher Demos. And one of my favorite things about records is that they come with things to look at and read while you're listening to the record. So of course I was thrilled about all of the books and pictures that came with this set. When you listen to music digitally, you lose those extra things that the artist puts into the record, and for me, having a physical album makes music more fun to listen to, and I feel like I'm supporting my favorite artists more than I would be if I was listening to them on Spotify.
If you're thinking about starting a record collection, you absolutely should, and this box set would be a great way to start it off or to add something to your current collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more records to explore.